Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video, we are going to have a look at a very simple trick that will help you identify if your thermostat is working or not. The thermostat is usually placed right here. This is the thermostat housing, and what it does is when the engine temperature is low, it will block this line. Line going to the radiator will be closed by the thermostat, and only when the engine reaches operating temperature, it will allow coolant to circulate through the radiator. This right here is the upper hose. It will go to the radiator, then after passing through the radiator, it will come to the lower hose. Now, how can you check if the thermostat is functioning or not? Well, the first thing you have to do is, before turning on your engine, grab the lower hose, feel its temperature, go ahead and grab the upper hose, feel its temperature, and then go ahead and start your engine. Now, before the engine reaches operating temperature, there should be no circulation through the radiator. If when the engine reaches operating temperature, you grab the upper hose and you grab the lower hose to see if there is any significant temperature difference or not. If you notice that even after the engine is started, when you grab the lower hose, if it remains cold, but when you touch this area, if this is hot, and when the lower hose is still cold, this indicates the thermostat is stuck closed. That is one indication. If the thermostat is stuck closed, engine is running hot because of the combustion. Sometimes upper hose is also running hot because it is close to the thermostat where we have hot coolant. But when it comes to the lower hose, when you grab the lower hose, it will remain cold. That indicates thermostat is stuck closed. If as soon as the engine is started, when you grab the lower hose, as soon as the engine is started, if it turns to be hot, that indicates thermostat is stuck open. The lower hose should remain cold until the temperature of the engine nears the operating temperature. If immediately after engine is started, when you grab the lower hose and find it is heating, that indicates the thermostat is allowing coolant to circulate through the radiator, which indicates the thermostat is stuck in the open position. So this is how you can identify if the thermostat is working properly or not. If the thermostat is removed from your engine, however, you can place it in a boiling water with a thermometer and see at what temperature the thermostat starts opening. Usually the temperature at which the thermostat starts operating is printed on the thermostat itself, but if you're not sure, you can always find the temperature at which it opens on your engine manual. So this is a very simple and straightforward method of checking if the thermostat is working properly or not. If your engine is very much overheating, always go ahead and grab the upper hose and grab the lower hose. Compare the temperature difference. If it is extremely different, if there is much variation between the upper hose temperature and the lower hose temperature after the engine has reached operating temperature, that definitely indicates thermostat is stuck closed. So this is a very simple method of checking thermostat function. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this video regarding how to simply check if the thermostat is functioning or not on your engine. If you find this video helpful and if you like what has been presented, go ahead and smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.